Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a peach Bellini. Here we have the great flavor of ripe peaches mixed in with the flavor of sparkling wine, making a great drink to celebrate any special occasion. So let's get started. Alright, so let's dive right into this recipe. For this, we're going to need 4 medium-sized ripe peaches, plus some additional peaches for garnishment. And on the side, you want to bring a pot of water to boil. We're going to start off by slicing a shallow X that's about 1 inch long at the base of each peach. And once that's done, we want to dunk our peaches in the boiling water for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then carefully remove them with a slotted spoon or tongs. We're then going to transfer those peaches to an ice bath, and this will definitely help with making the peeling process easier. We're now going to peel off the skin from the peach, starting from the X mark, and that should make it relatively easy to peel off all of it. And once all the skin's removed, you want to slice your peaches in half. I like using a paring knife, and then remove the pits. You want to transfer all the peeled peaches into a blender and puree those until they become smooth. So once you have a consistency like this, you want to place the puree in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to allow it to chill before we add it to our bellinis. And right before you're ready to add it, you want to give the mix another blend to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And when you're ready to serve it, you want to pour 2 ounces worth of this chilled peach puree into the base of a champagne flute. And then you want to pour in a Prosecco wine. I like choosing ones that either have a light peach flavor or notes of green apple, pear, or citrus. That pairs pretty good with the peach flavor. And then you want to pour that wine nearly to the top of the glass, leaving some room as you need to gently stir the mix to combine it. You want to top the glass with some additional Prosecco and garnish each of the glasses with a peach slice. This recipe using 4 peaches can create about 8 to 10 servings of a peach Bellini. With that, this is ready to be served immediately and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made one great drink right at home. You can always use frozen peaches as well. Just allow them to thaw to room temperature before blending them, as frozen peaches won't turn into a puree. But when you do this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this drink. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this drink, and if you did, make sure you stir in a like button for me. It's one of the best ways to help the channel out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button too if you want to see more recipes just like this one. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.